Parliament for Ladade Kotopon constituency in collaboration with La Traditional Council and supported by Labadi Beach Hotel organized La Homowo Kpokpoi cooking competition where contestants from Agbawe, Leshi, Kwe, Klana, Abese, Jirase, Mati, Aneho, and Abafum gathered to showcase their skills in preparing the traditional dish of Kpokpoi. Kpokpoi is a dish made with fermented kondo and palm nut soup. It is a beloved dish in the Gang community and is especially popular during the Homowo Festival, which is celebrated to commemorate the Gang people's victory over famine many years ago. The competition is fierce as each contestant puts their own unique twist on the traditional recipe. A member of the La Homowo Festival Planning Committee spoke to La TV of
ni agbene nwe chake mokoli o mi chake owo ngbe wonu ye hia se ye afi ngbe wonu wo mo e bona wo le strut ni ke okeyi popo ye ona ke usun ni eni e chirapi mmine nya wo fe ni ne na ke du sun e wo yo ne wo ye na gba fi o ake keji afi lo ko ni mi je buto ko ye kana la ko hejelo shinya wo fe ko be ni ha ni ko me fe mo keno ya ke sure mo abo wo ye da le ko to.
The head of marketing from Labadi Beach Hotel shared the reason behind the support and other plans.
We believe in the boss. We believe in what they are doing, and we are proud to be associated with them. So Labadi Beach is very proud to be associated with Madam Rita and this area. So that is why we have this relationship. It's gone on for some years and we intend to do it forever. So on behalf of Labadi Beach, our managing director, Mr. David Wafu, the board of directors, the team, we are here to support now 25, which is next year. And so it will become a norm. Whenever it's the February month, we can be doing this, and on the day itself especially.
The judges evaluate the dishes based on taste, texture, and adherence to the traditional recipe. After 3 hours of cooking and setting up the tables, the judges announced the winners. The only male of the Homowo quarters shared the secret behind their win.
Homowo Kpokpoi kusumi chon akeshi ake kukoi ni huo wonu kukoi jino na le na ke huo wonu ni agbene heju kucha hu ale no ni ake no na ke fun intaso emi na ake huo Kpokpoi e wo be kukoi wo ke je wo wonu e wo mo shishi ni wo use eju kucha hu ke fe ye ke hantaso emi wo ke fe Kpokpoi obe ene meji oti kwede ni numi akwo blemato ni wanye ni wokekpo wo shitoke wo libi fe ene no chon ni wokekpo.
The MP of Ladade Kotopon constituency, Honorable Rita Na Odoli, spoke to La TV official reporter and said this.
Kase Kpokpoi homo be wokusun kokwe na hin egbo wo ke Homowo planning committee bi embo amamane na me ko ene ni papa ni wo ke fata Homowo yi lele wo to nsinsa afile ewo lobo ba ke criteria ni bi e komani fata ina ba abo mi e jake sa no kutu enyi ko blaye aba ni ameba kase ni homo mene ne kan mba kase ni ojopa bona achala chinsen ni ko ya aka chon ni lamon abe Kpokpoi ke bona shi o Kpokpoi ni ado owo nu efe aha e won ye mi so ojopa. And my advice to everybody, including myself, is that we should carry our campaign, or we should do our campaign in a respectful manner, in a peaceful manner, because elections is about what you are going to do for the people and with the people, and so you need to just tell the people what you are going to do for them. For me as MP, I need to tell the people what I have already done and what I will do when given the opportunity again. And so I'm praying that we have a peaceful campaign and peaceful election. So peace before, during, and after. And I, Rita Nodole Sowa, and the NDC, we pledge that we are going to conduct our campaign and elections in a peaceful manner.